Spring is the season when wildflowers finally burst open after a long winter. Woodland and hedgerows are packed with colourful plants, but wildflowers can be found throughout our communities in grassland on verges, open spaces and parks. Common wildflowers like dandelions and daisies pop up overnight, bringing colour and life to our towns and villages. There are many species of plant to be found. You'll be amazed at the amount of diversity on your doorstep. Once you begin to notice wildflowers, you'll soon be seeing them everywhere, along with the bees and butterflies that feed on them. Here are some wildflowers you can find in Gwent this spring.